LogoDesign. Direct selection tool secrets for perfect designs. Easy steps. Go to the Shape tool and vertically draw a rectangle with black color. Align them so they are in the center of the page. We're going to create a duplicate copy by going to the Edit menu and selecting Copy. Then, go to Edit again and choose Paste in Front. Now, we'll change the color to white. Now grab this duplicate copy with the help of Selection tool. And we'll go into Effect. There we'll click on the path. You will see an option of Set Path in front of you, click on it. This will then greatly reduce the copy size of this duplicate here. OK. Expand it. Select both shapes with the Selection tool. Go to Pathfinder and click on -front. In this way, only the black part will be left in front of you and the white part will be minus. Now our real work will begin. That is, we will use the Direct Selection tool. With it we can also round the pointed parts and make the shapes wider and thinner. And can move them very easily. Here we will use the Direct Selection tool as well as the arrow keys from the keyboard. The Direct Selection tool in Adobe Illustrator allows you to select and manipulate individual anchor points or path segments on an object, giving you precise control over the shape and form of your design elements. Using the Direct Selection tool is the game changer you didn't know you needed for creating flawless logos.